This is a call going out to any and all. Rise up, we got to make Babylon fall. The music is the message and the message is the music. This microphone my weapon and Jah knows I'm gonna use it. Hey, to all the singers and the players, light workers and sayers of prayers. The world we're living in is suffering, so come with all your medicine. This is a call to all the seers and believers, peaceful warriors and all of the free thinkers. Speak your truth and let your voice be heard. Recognize your purpose and the power of your word. We need ya. Don't let the darkness of the world deceive ya. We overcome the obstacles they place between us. So if you're sleeping now, it's time to wake up and break down the walls. They ain't got no love at all. You know they can't put no fear in my heart. Love will always remain. Oh yeah, break down the walls. They ain't got no love at all. You know they can't put no fear in our hearts. Love is the only way.
Sledgehammer and swing and strike the fold to set historical wedge with clamor and bring unanswered questions. So you think it may seem never ending? Yeah, we're searching for the truth. We'll scream forever and sing until we're Orion. Why are they fighting? Why are they crying in vain? Almighty dollar, why am I writing when they're dying in vain? Almighty scholar, I achieved to be is trying insane when everything I thought I knew before was lying in wait.